Question for you. What does having a viral video have to do with something as simple as preparing your pinned comment for each video that you publish? Well, let's start with a viral video. Do you remember the Cybertruck trend that happened last year, 2019? It was all over YouTube, and a friend of mine decided to create a video on that trend with his unique spin on it. And you know, he was a small channel, 600 subscribers. He didn't expect much, maybe like 500 views for the video, like he usually gets. So he was really surprised when he woke up and saw, like, in the first, after 3 days, this video drove over 100,000 views on day 3 in one single day. Amazing, right? And it got even better. The coming days, this video continued to drive over 100,000 views each and every day. And during this first week, he grew from 600 subscribers to 8,500 subscribers, with the video getting close to 1 million views. Amazing, right? Imagine this situation. You don't expect it. My friend also didn't expect it. I mean, you never expect such a viral hit to happen. And then you see like this views coming in, subscribers coming in, all the comments and all that. Crazy, right? So naturally, he was glued to the screen checking his statistics all the time. But then, unfortunately, he saw the views slowing down. And by the way, this is absolutely normal for a viral hit. It doesn't last forever, right? But still, he was thinking like it's slowing down. This huge audience is going to his channel. What can he do in order to keep this new audience that he acquired? And he did the perfect choice. He understood that this new audience, most of his subscribers, I mean, he got 15 times as many subscribers than he had before now. So most of his subscribers came through this viral video because of the Cybertruck topic. So he did a follow-up video continuing his story about the Cybertruck. And this video, as you can see here, slowed down this decline. This video got 20,000 views. So of course, nothing compared to 1 million views from the viral hit, right? But still, considering that he's still like a small channel, right? 20,000 views is amazing and a really good success to get back this new audience, part of the audience, to continue watching another video and hopefully stick around for longer, right? So perfect. But then as it continued, unfortunately, as it turns out, this decline continued and it was basically after some time back to normal. I mean, it was a little bit higher than here, by the way. This spike is so huge, it looks like 0 in the beginning and 0 again. No. It's just such a huge spike that you can't even see the regular view that a small channel, a healthy small channel usually gets, like in my friend's case, right? So it looks like 0, but it is actually healthy views for a small channel and a little bit more views afterwards. But ideally, I mean, considering this amazing spike, you want to keep more of the new audience, right? And you know what? I realized 3 years back, Roberto Blake gave the advice that usually small channels are not ready for a viral hit. He said that small channels are usually not prepared for such a huge amount of traffic coming to their channels. But what does it mean? And in the past 3 years, I oftentimes heard again and again that it is immensely difficult to keep this large audience when such a viral hit spikes, right? Recently, Daniel Bartal shared his growth strategy that allowed him to grow from 0 to well beyond 100,000 subscribers in such a short amount of time. And he shared his strategy with everyone, and there finally all the dots connected. What he does in its core of his growth strategy is to make viewers binge watch their videos. So imagine if this viral hit of my friend would have started making people binge watch more of his videos on his channel. then what would have happened is they saw the new video, then continued to watch another video, another video, another video. And then the next day they came from home, right? And watched another video, and again a binge watch session, right? And then maybe, since they have so many videos in their watch history already, the suggested videos algorithm kicks in and recommends them more videos on this channel of my friends. They start again a binge watch session. Since they watched so many videos already, they are more likely to subscribe even. I mean, if you watch 5 videos in a row from a channel, you obviously enjoy those videos and you are more willing to subscribe to the channel, right? And that binge watch session here would result in many more views and what Derral Eves likes to call raising the baseline. And you know what? In my last video, I actually explained a different type of spike, not a viral hit, but a hit that is produced by the suggested videos algorithm. And there I featured Homeless Movies. He shared his channel views with me, and here you see 2 big spikes. And for him, it actually happened. He raised the baseline. So before he was on this level, and after those spikes, he continued to be on this level. And actually, Daniel Batal's strategy is exactly designed for this kind of purpose. For small spikes, for each video that you upload, for bigger spikes, like from the suggested videos algorithm, or for huge spikes like viral videos. And actually on this video last time, Sylvain left a comment there confirming that this strategy that Daniel Batal applies as well actually has the effect that I just showed you, raising this baseline. So the big question is, how does Daniel Batal ensure that people binge watch your videos? It's actually quite easy. When you have a video, you always think about what kind of video would make sense for your viewers to watch next. For example, I have a click-through rate video where I explain people whether their click-through rate is good or bad. And of course, many of them think then, well, my click-through rate is not the best, so what can I do in order to improve my click-through rate? So I'm sending them from this video to another video of mine where I explain how to improve their thumbnail and of course with better thumbnails you get higher click-through rate. So having this video watched and then watching this video next just makes sense. And Daniel Batal does this all the time with all videos, as well as I do as well. So this way it makes sure that if someone watches any video on your channel, they watch another video next because it's recommended, then the next video recommends another video, and so on. Binge watch session. So how does he do this? Daniel Batal recommends that you choose this video to watch next and put it in the cards, in the end screen, in the description of your video, as well as in the pinned comment. And that is, by the way, where I really get stoked. Remember, Roberto Blake said in the beginning, you have to be prepared for a viral hit, right? And since we are preparing our metadata as well as the pinned comment and the link in the description while we do our keyword research up front, right? It's a perfect place to also prepare for those viral hits, right? And so I sat down and extended the keyword tool to have just that. Here you see in the description I added a note what to watch next. And I used the insert video link to find the video that I want to recommend to watch next, this one. And this way, by clicking here, I added the video link here. And that, by the way, is also above the fold. So before viewers click show more on the description, so they can see the link right away. And the same way, by the way, in the pinned comment. That is where it goes all full circle, right? So I used the same thing, insert video link, added this video as a link here as well. And this way we have the link to the recommended video in the cards, in the end screen, in this description, and in the pinned comment. So your viewers can't miss the next video that you recommend to watch next that will start a binge watch session. But of course, there is one thing missing. People can ignore your link. You have provided it. Of course, they can click it, right? But should they click it? I mean, they could also click on another video in the suggested videos, for example, from another channel, and you want, of course, your own videos to be watched next. So, to explain you how you can make sure that people actually click your recommended video, let me hand over the mic to Brian G. Johnson, who will explain you how to convince people. Be prepared for your next viral video, my friends. Cheers!